Yo, what's up, world? It's your boy Zalontate back again, cooking on the Blackstone Griddle, the 36-inch, and this will actually be my third time cooking on it. The first time I didn't get to do any video. The second time I did do a little bit of video, displayed that. Today we're doing shrimp fried rice with the chicken, and I got a sauce on it. I don't want to mispronounce it. Look down at the bottom of the screen to your left and you'll see that. So I'm really just showing a quick step-by-step process, not really talking about the ingredients, but I will come back later and do one with the ingredient detail, etc., etc. But until then, we just warming up, trying to get used to cooking while doing video. But one thing I will say with this rice, I got a whole lot of veggies going in it, and let's just see how it go.